Westermans here with a Bode 7.5 ton welding positioner, just arrived. Has power tilt, power rotation, variable speed. Rotation is done through a quarter, oil filled, which is a manual turn of speed. It also has a pendant control for start and stop, and manual controls for tilt up and down. Contactors are noisy inside the tilt mechanism. Rotation also a pendant. Not working. It's going to have to be. Table will go faster still. If required, the quarter can be changed with an inverter drive. If you wish to do pendant control, we can offer this if the machine is sold fully refurbished. More details can be found on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.